2 years ago, I was introduced to the Dave Ramsey Real Estate Advisement Team where I could become a vetted Dave Ramsey Realtor. Dave had asked me to share my story and how this helps my clients. I was first introduced to Dave Ramsey at the age of 14 through his Financial Peace University class. My parents enrolled me in it. I loved it, learned a lot of information on how to make smart money choices, and I also set a goal to go through college debt-free. Midway through college, I took the course again and also obtained my real estate license. Thankfully, I did graduate college debt-free with a finance degree, and since then I've been working as a full-time real estate agent. A few years ago, I began investing in real estate, and last fall actually brought my sister onto my team to help with clients. Since then, I've just looked at real estate a little bit differently, through the lenses of, is this a good decision or a bad decision financially and for longevity purposes? And I kind of think that's the difference Dave Ramsey Realtors make, is we just look at property just a little bit different. For anybody who is looking at investing, I feel with my background in education and by investing personally that it just brings a different focal point for my clients. Most people that seek Dave Ramsey's content do so for two reasons: education and trust. And that's why I believe that Dave Ramsey partners with local professionals to help those with needs and services. And I can honestly say that I'm a proud Dave Ramsey Realtor.